Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen tamales in the air fryer. So what we get is a package of frozen tamales, no need to defrost, you're just cooking them straight from frozen. Frozen salad, the air fryer will take care of that. You can use any flavored tamales, these are beef, but you can use chicken or any other kinds. And I'm also going to use non-stick cooking spray just in case so they don't stick to the air fryer basket. Spray is optional, but I just like to use it just to make sure nothing sticks. So let's spray the air fryer basket with a non-stick cooking spray. You can also brush the bottom of the basket with vegetable oil instead of the spray. And now I'll open frozen tamales and put them in the air fryer basket. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. Now I'm going to set the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 16 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the tamales. Look at that. They're perfectly cooked. They're done. Now I'm going to remove them from the air fryer. And I'm going to unwrap them and try them. See, they're soft, perfectly cooked straight from frozen. Now let's unwrap the tamale. Perfect. Now I'm very excited to try it. Let's just cut and see how it's cooked inside. Delicious, perfectly cooked filling inside. And now let's try it. I'm so excited. I love tamales. So yummy. Amazing. You're going to love cooking frozen tamales in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!